Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. In the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, and the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. Then down here in the middle you have 2 fold-out cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your info screen here with your fully digital cluster. You can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your eco behavior, auto start stop status, your driver assistance settings, and fuel economy. Then you can exit out of that and go into your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and driver assistance. Then you can look at your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left side of your steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen for any of the controls or settings here, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And you have your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. And then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch fees, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view with the front and 360, your hazards, traction control shut off, and you do have a premium Beano audio system in this truck, so your music's going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as heated and air conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. And to the left of that you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as your drive mode selector. It's going to yell at me about low fuel, but you have normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet with this button up here opening the compartment above your glove box for more storage. And moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt with a USB and USB-C, and a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something. And quickly looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And moving on to your center console, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is quite spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the waist to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath for even more storage, so that's always nice too. And then, just putting that down, last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.